doesn't she? She's low.
Things that we used to do.
You just drive down the road and key bang. So, true man. We're going to lower this car. Do a little res delete. Make it a bit more louder. Don't go anywhere. Isn't bleeding. Give it a little check over. Do the geometry. And spy it.
You're going to slam it to the ground?
No, we're not going to slam it.
No, you're not about that?
No, we're just going to get mediocre. Just a little bit of medium rares for the Jean.
Medium rare lows, eh?
Medium red lows. Not too low, not too high, just the medium. And maybe next week we go low low.
Ooh.
How low can you go? Look at them. They're nice. Okay, so this afternoon I am doing some rear sections on this big old Yank tank. Failed its MOT on the near side one being insecure, which this one also is. But it was a cherry bomb. I don't know if any of you remember these. They used to be fitted to every Vauxhall Nova from the 1990s. I'm going to hang that on the wall in pride of place. But yeah, we're just doing this machine bent, nice and cheaply, just to get the customer an MOT on his vehicle. Yes.
Nice. I noticed with this as well, it was made in a time where all panels were steel or alley metal, so you don't have to worry too much about clearance on the bumper so it doesn't burn for it.
No, and they're pretty solidly mounted as well. There's no flexies or anything in them like there used to be.
That's how we made them back in day.
Back in day.
Second sight. The second sight.
Finished.
Looks good with the twin slash cuts.
A little bit of slash cut action, yep. Man, shifting.
And shifting what
What we're
like
saying on
cable
this,
ties. Like
at
cable
the
tie
moment,
hanging off.
sack. We're going to improve it. Yeah, cable ties for days.
The DMOs bought a Civic here. Run us through it.
He's brought his Civic here. It's got a bit of an oil leak. The gear linkage is a bit saggy because the man's been shifted. So we're just going to do a little check over because he's just brought it. So we're going to make sure it's all good and safe. If we didn't catch it in time, all the oil could have gone on the exhaust and big pop and bang.
What is the point of these exhausts? You're too young.
It just sounded good, didn't it?
You're too young, Cam.
It sounded good.
This was Deutschstep back in the day. You're not taking it in. You cut it off, you put the clamps on, and that was your BTEC Deutschstep back in the day.
That was it.
And
That was your exhaust.
on the drive.
Yeah.
Now you can go to Deutschstep and get the real McCoy.
You'd wire in like an ignition switch
Literally,
rather than a
that
key.
was
Your mum's wardrobe, and you see them old coat hangers. Yeah, the
Yeah,
wire
and
ones,
then you make the fucking brackets. Fucking hell, the things that we used to
Then
do.
you just drive down the road and key bang.
I used to do it in my Civic when
Key bang. They're actually quite quiet, really. Boop, 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 boop. They're actually quite well silenced.
Oh, I love it.
They've done a good job. You
An
love it.
exhaustophobic man, cherry bomb.
Exhaustophobic, man. Chili bomb, ma. Bomb, 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 bomb. She looks good, doesn't she? This is low. I think we should put some spacers on it.
Set it off, wouldn't it?
Did you hear her? No, I've done the exhaust. Bam, 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 bam.
Should we go here, shall we?
Should we hear it?
Yeah.
Come with it. Maserati. Look at her. Sound good, yeah?
Yeah,
You'd
sounds
like
good.
that if it was your car?
Yeah, I'd like that.
I like it.
We're in DMOs V16 Turbo, yeah. Let me show you some shifts. I'll show you the DMO shift.
Gun fingers and that.
Where's the aircon in there? Oh, I've got sunroof. Hello! I think she's fixed, man. Come on! Jesus! She's fast.
She got the
She got the do.
Hello guys, so today we're working on a V8 5-litre Range Rover. Wants a little bit more noise, so we're going to do res deletes. So we'll chop this section out, place it with straight pipe, same on the other side, give them a bit more noise. That's that. Oh, it's hot. Same side. 13. Tack, tack, ting, ting. Tack, tack, ting, ting, the pipe, ting, ting.
couldn't see it, but my hair was blowing. I stood a good like.
Is it really?
Yeah.
Come on. Yeah, I think you'd be happy with it. Not too much, just a little bit more. It's subtle, you know? You've got a proper bang map.
Got for the bang.
Right.